In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to divide subtasks and sections in Asana. By the end, you'll know how to log in, create sections inside a task subtask list, and neatly group those subtasks so everything's easier to scan and manage. First, head to the Asana login page in your browser. If you use Google at work, the quickest path is to choose Continue with Google. This keeps things simple and avoids typing a password. When prompted, select your Google account to finish signing in. If you use another login method, that's fine too. The process after this point is the same. Once you're in, open the project where you want to organize things. You can do this from the left sidebar or your home screen. Inside the project, pick a task that already has a few subtasks you'd like to organize. We're going to add sections within that subtask list so you can group related work, like preparation, in progress, or review, depending on how you manage your process. With the task open and the subtask list visible, create a section by using the keyboard shortcut Tab+N. Make sure your cursor is focused in the subtask area when you do this. You'll see a new section line appear. Give it a clear short name so teammates instantly understand what belongs there. Repeat the same shortcut to add a second section. It's totally fine to add more sections later, but start with just what you need to avoid clutter. Now let's sort the subtasks into these sections. Each subtask has a 6-dot handle to the left. Click and hold that handle, then drag the subtask under the section where it belongs. You'll see a guideline that shows exactly where the item will land. Drop it and it's grouped. Keep dragging the remaining subtasks until everything sits under the right section. Remember, you're not changing assignees or due dates by doing this. You're only improving the visual organization. If the Tab+N shortcut doesn't respond, make sure the subtask list is active by clicking inside it. You can also rename or delete sections later if your workflow evolves. And as your list grows, collapsing sections can reduce noise and help you focus. That's it. Log in, open your project, create sections with Tab+N in the subtask list, and drag each subtask by the 6-dot handle into the right place. With a few minutes of setup, your task becomes a tidy, structured checklist your whole team can follow at a glance.